This is a smart report definition. It's used by Sybase databases to define a report layout. It is not the report itself, just the blueprint. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain its function. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful SRD troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. An SRD file is associated with PowerBuilder and Sybase. It stores data related to DataWindow objects, which are visual components used for displaying and manipulating data from databases. The SRD file contains information about the structure and content of the data window, enabling PowerBuilder applications to efficiently access and present data. SRD files are typically binary files that contain serialized data structures specific to PowerBuilder's data window format. The internal structure includes metadata describing the columns, data types, and formatting rules for the data being displayed. These files are designed for rapid data retrieval and presentation within PowerBuilder applications interacting with Sybase databases. We suggest testing the SRD file first with the utility Sage Instant Accounts from Sage. The operating system is unable to apply the necessary display standards to this file. Windows displays only foundational metadata, so analyzing the content requires dedicated software. Time to test installed programs. Right-click the SRD file and hit Open With. Launch it using Sage Instant Accounts if possible. If that option is absent, choose any other application from the displayed list. If your SRD file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, Open PowerBuilder IDE. Launch the PowerBuilder development environment, the primary tool for opening these data window definition files. Next, import into project. Go to the Library Painter, right-click your target library, and choose Import to add the SRD file to your workspace. Finally, edit the data window. Double-click the imported object to open the Visual Designer and modify the SQL or layout of the data presentation. If your system cannot parse your SRD structure, the issue is likely that the extension name is shared by a program you don't have. At this stage, manual testing is exhausted. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn SRD formats. FileMagick provides genuine peace of mind. Its incredible feature is the instant, reliable viewing of SRD file content, regardless of whether the file extension is present or correct. Visit FileMagick.com to download. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides. Your file corruption should be history.